Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. So today we're going to be working on how we can ask our partners questions to learn more. So our teaching point is I can ask my partner questions to learn more. So your reading partner can be your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, anyone in your house. And when we ask questions while we're reading, we use these words: where, what, when, how, why, or who, because these are question words. And good readers ask questions to help them understand what they read. So readers, you already know that you can come up with questions about a topic as you read. And today I want to teach you that you might also come up with questions about a topic when talking with your partners. So after listening to your partner, you might be left with even more questions. So some questions that you can ask your partner while you're reading are: what did you learn on this page? Where does this animal live? And or maybe what colored stripes do tigers have? So we're going to read a nonfiction book today about baby tigers. So let's pay attention to our reading and look at the pictures and see what kind of questions that we can ask our partner today. So let's start reading and ask our partner questions. This is the cover of our book. Look how cute. It says super cute baby tigers. So tiger cubs. Baby tigers are called cubs. They are born in dens. Oh, so that's where they live. Baby tigers live in dens. A girl tiger, has a litter of 2 to 6 cubs. So the mommy tiger has 2 to 6 cubs. They stay in the den for 2 months. So let's read this page. Life with mom. Newborn cubs need mom for everything. She carries them with her teeth. So a question I can ask my partner here is, how do baby cubs move around? Well, I can look at the picture, and after reading, I could see that the mom tiger carries her cub with her teeth. So on this page in my reading, it says that she carries them with her teeth, but I can also show my partner the picture, and I could see that the mom tiger carries the baby cub with her teeth. Okay, let's keep going. She also nurses them. Older cubs eat solid food, so baby cubs need milk, and older cubs can eat real food. So a lot to learn. Tiger cubs have a lot to learn. Mom teaches them how to hunt. So when a baby tiger and its mom hunts, it means that they're looking for food. So my question I can ask to my partner is, who teaches a tiger cub to hunt? So look at the picture. I see little baby cubs, and who's teaching them? Their mom. So you can ask your partner now, who teaches a tiger cub to hunt? And you can look at the picture, or you can go back and reread the page to find the answer. Let's keep going. Cubs chase one another to practice. Oh, so to practice hunting, they chase and run after each other. Then they wrestle, they growl as they play fight. See how they're play fighting? Sometimes the cubs practice an ambush. They pounce on mom. That means they jump on mom. So a question I can ask my partner is, what color stripes do tigers have? See, this question, you can ask questions about the picture because this question does not have the answer in the words. It's a question you can ask by looking at the picture, so you don't always have to ask a question just about the words. So let's look at the picture and answer this question. Baby tigers have what kind of stripes? I see black stripes. I see white stripes. I can use the picture to answer these for me. Young cubs also learn how to swim. They love water. Jump in. Oh, so they love to jump in the water and play. And look at the end of my book. The end of my book has a glossary. So you can ask your partner, why do books have a glossary? So in previous lessons, we learned what a glossary was. And a glossary is a list of all the words that were in your book that if you didn't know what they mean, you can go in the glossary and look. Like if you didn't know what ambush means, it means a surprise attack. So a lot of nonfiction books have a glossary and they can help you. So now for your activity on Class Dojo, I want you with your partner to answer this question. What do young tiger cubs learn to do? So if we look at page 20 and page 21 and reread, that means we read it again. It says young cubs also learn how to swim. They love water, jump in. So if you reread this page, I want you to answer, what do young tiger cubs learn to do? I can't wait to see all of your answers and your great work.